Let's talk about subdomains. Subdomains are useful when you want to create sections like a blog, store, or portal without buying a new domain. A subdomain is part of a main domain. For example, if your website is telaHosting.com, a subdomain would look like blog.telahosting.com or shop.telahosting.com. It allows you to organize your websites better and run different sections independently. In this video, I'll show you how to create a subdomain using cPanel on telaHosting. So let's go ahead and create one. First, you log into your telaHosting account. Once logged in, from your client area dashboard, locate Web Hosting Services, and on cPanel, click Login and log in to Control Panel. Once you're inside cPanel, scroll down to the Domains section and click on Domains. Then click on Create a new domain. Once the page loads, enter the name of your subdomain. Uncheck the Shared Document Root option and enter the directory where you want the files for this subdomain to exist, or you can leave it as it is. Then click on Submit, and that's it. You'll see a confirmation message showing that your subdomain has been successfully created. To view your subdomain, open a new tab and type it in. You can now upload files to this subdomain using the file manager or install applications on it using Subdomains. We already have these videos, so you can check them out. Treat your subdomain as a mini website. It can have its own files, databases, and design. Creating a subdomain is that simple. It's a great way to expand your website without needing a new domain. If you need help setting up your subdomain or managing your website, reach out to telaHosting. We're always here to help you. If you have any questions or confusions, do well to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next video.